Hello, time for a triple feature. Okay, bit of a different video today. I got 3 things I need to do. Well, I don't need to do any of them, but they involve smashing stuff and blow torches, so I'm going to do all 3 of them. And 2 of them are in response to your comments. Thing the first, many of you rightfully gave me crap about not just charring the wood. That's so obvious, even an idiot should have thought of that. Should have, but didn't. So that's what we're going to do. So I got to take this off the wall. It's not attached very well. There we go. It wasn't into studs. Bet you I can just fit it right in the same holes. Maybe. There's a lot of holes in this thing. That's good enough. Doesn't need to be flush. Maybe I'll use this as a heat shield also. Yeah, there we go. That'll protect except for these holes. Sure. Let's see. Gotta get some fire going. There we go. Cool. Oh wait, still, no, no longer on fire. Okay, we're good. Cool. That looks quite interesting. Thank you for that tip. Can't have the charring rubbing off though. Cool. Mission accomplished there. That's going to look really nice. It's only under the fire for a couple seconds, but this thing is toasty warm. Part number 2, I lost it. Here it is. I made this in just last week's video, and a lot of you gave me crap for not using flux. Truth is, I didn't have any, and I didn't feel like going and getting any. So I just made this ugly thing. And you told me, use flux. And I think it's quite flattering that you think I'm good enough at soldering that the flux would have made it any better. Pretty sure it would be terrible. But I went and got some flux. Boom. And wow, that's out of focus. Out of focus flux. That's what I got. We're going to use this to try to fix this and make it look less like that. Okay, to begin with, I'm just going to melt the solder off there, start afresh. And there it goes. That was easy. Cleaned up and paint the flux on. You know, I had flux just like this before, but I lost it. And wouldn't you know it, I had to go buy the exact same kit to get another little brush and a little tin of flux. And that means I have another roll of solder. Boom. Lead-free solder, made primarily of tin. You see where I'm going with that, I imagine. You know, while I was there, I probably should have bought a smaller bit of solder. I dare say that does look a little better. Just blob it on there. No, it doesn't look any better. Oh no. I got a little bit trapped. Huh, I guess it does look a little shinier. Pretty tough too. Okay, you were right. Use flux. Sorry for the audio, my microphone broke. But last problem I have of the 3 today is that I have too much pottery building up, and I have a lot of hammers and a torch, so I'm sure you see where this is going. First up, a very poorly thrown bowl with some not so attractive glaze. I wonder if I can get the glaze to melt using this, and if that'll show up on camera. Definitely hot. It was definitely crackling. Still crackling. But I don't see any changes with the glaze. Very impressive stuff. Okay, so that wasn't great, but you know, red hot, and it's still the same exact color. Cool. Okay, we'll set that aside. Next up, small ugly stoneware cup versus golden hammer. Wonder who will win. Okay, that's enough smashy for one night. Maybe more later.